To create professional UGC ads, you don't need a camera, an actor, or even to record yourself. With just one AI tool and a few prompts, you can create an entire ad in just a few minutes. These days, brands prefer user-generated content over original ads because it feels more natural and authentic. Basically, UGC consists of videos where a creator uses a product and shares their pain experience with it. That's why people tend to trust these videos more, and brands are willing to spend a significant budget in that. But now, AI has made this entire process even easier. So today, I'm going to show you an AI tool that lets you create professional UGC ads without needing a camera, hiring an actor, or recording any videos yourself. With just a few clicks and a detailed form, you can create realistic AI influencers, generate talking videos with them, and produce professional quality UGC ads. So let's get started. So the tool I'm talking about is UGC Video. First, you will need to create an account. One great thing about this platform is that new users receive 30 free credits as soon as they sign up. After you complete your first generation, you'll get another 30 free credits, giving you a total of 60 free credits to test the tool and explore its features. So once you're signed up, you'll see a simple and user-friendly interface like this. On the left side, you'll find all of the AI tools available on the platform. From here, you can create UGC characters, generate UGC ad videos, create UGC images, and produce UGC videos. We'll also find powerful features like talking video and motion sync. So first, we'll see how to create your own AI avatar using this case. So to create an AI avatar, first click on UGC character, then select the start from an image option. Now upload your reference images. For the best and most consistent results, I recommend using 3 reference images, one front-facing pose, one left side pose, and one right side pose. This helps the AI understand the character from different angles and generate a more accurate avatar. Next, give your character a name, and below that we'll find a form where you can enter a short description of your character. Since I'm creating this character as a model, I'll describe it like this: a confident and professional made model with a friendly and approachable personality. He naturally presents products, explains tutorials, and create promotion content that engaging body language, clear expressions, and a warm, trustworthy camera presence. So finally, select the image generation model. I'm using the Nano Banana Pro model because it has given me a very good and consistent results. So as you can see, our AI avatar is now successfully created. I generated in 2 different versions so we can compare the results. You can look at both avatars and decide which one best matches your content and start. Personally, I found both versions to be very realistic and impressive. So in the next step, they turn our AI avatar into a talking avatar. So to do this, click the Use an option below the avatar and select Talking Video. As you can see, the avatar is automatically added to the project. Now paste your script into the speed box. Below that, you'll find the voice option where you can choose the voice for you. Here you'll get plenty of customization options. You can select your preferred language, choose a gender, and even set the age. In addition, there are different voice styles available, including friendly, professional, energetic, calm, and many more. This makes it easy to choose the perfect voice that matches the tone of your video and your target audience. And once you have finished setting up both the script and the voice, simply click the Generate button. And within a few moments, your AI avatar will naturally deliver your script and your realistic talking video will be ready.
In this video, I'll show you how to create your own realistic AI avatar using just a few reference images. Let's start by building our character from scratch.
So as you can see, the talking video turned out really impressive. But now let's take a look at another interesting feature of this tool called Motion Sync. With Motion Sync, you can add natural actions and realistic movements to your avatar. For example, let's say I want my AI model to take a sip of coffee first and then naturally look at the camera and start speaking. So let's see how realistically Motion Sync performs this action and what kind of results we get. So to do that, click on All Tools and then select Motion Sync. Next, choose your AI interpreter. And after that, enter the prompt and the purpose, describing the gestures and actions you want your avatar to perform. So I'm using this prompt. Pick up the coffee cup, take a small sip, gently place it back on the table, then continue talking to the camera with natural gestures and a friendly expression. Now click Generate.
It is really refreshing on a day like this.
Oh my god, just look at the result. The output is absolutely amazing. The avatar takes a sip of coffee very naturally and then smoothly looks towards the camera and starts speaking without any awkward movements. The movements, facial expressions, and body language all look incredibly realistic. If you create UGC ads, product reviews, or talking videos, natural gestures like these can make your content look much more professional and engaging. So far, you have seen how we created an AI avatar using reference images and then used that same avatar to the powerful features like talking video and motion sync. But now it's time to look at the most impressive feature of this tool. What makes this feature so special is that you don't need any reference images at all. All you have to do is write a detailed prompt and the AI generates a complete realistic influencer based on your description. That means there's no need to upload photos or manually create a character. So now let's see just how realistic and professional an AI influencer this tool can create using nothing more than a single prompt. So first click on Influencer Generator. Next you'll need to choose a pose. Here you'll find multiple options such as the full body, half body, bust shot. This completely depends on the type of influencer you want to create. For this example, I'm selecting burst shot because it gives a very natural and professional look for talking videos and UGC content. And now in the prompt box, you'll write a detailed description of your influencer. This is where you define the type of influencer you want to create. For example, they could be a homemaker, fashion blogger, business professional, fitness coach, tech reviewer, beauty creator, or someone from any other niche. The clearer and more detailed your description is, the better the AI will understand your requirements and generate a realistic and accurate influencer accordingly. So in this example, I'm creating a girl fashion influencer, so I'll write my prompt accordingly. I clearly described her appearance, outfit, hairstyle, personality, and overall style so the AI generates exactly the kind of influencer I want. And after that, select the gender, then choose the age group of your influencer. Next, under the persona option, I'm selecting fashion blogger. As you can see, here are plenty of options to choose from. You can select any category that best matches your content. And the next step is to select the region and skin tone so the AI can generate an influencer based on your preferences. One thing I really like about this tool is that it also lets you customize facial features. If you want a model to have dimples, freckles, wrinkles, or any other facial details, you can easily add them. This level of customization makes the character look even more unique and realistic. And after that, choose the face shape according to your preference. Once you have completed all the settings, simply click the generate button. So as you can see, our AI influencer has been generated successfully and the result looks very professional. The overall styling, facial features, and appearance turn out exactly as I defined them in the prompt. Now let's see how to create a UGC ad video using this same influencer. So to do this, click on the using option and then select a UGC ad video. As you can see, our influencer has been automatically added to the project. At the top, you can place your product links. If you don't have a product linked, you can simply upload an image of the product instead. For this, I'm uploading an image of a lipstick. And next in the prompt block, describe in detail the type of ad you want to create, such as an unboxing, product review, or promotional video. Also mention the camera angles, how the influencer should present the product, and the overall tone of the delivery. The clearer and more detailed the instructions are, the more professional the final results will be. And in the voice section, you also find two options. You can either use your own voice or select an AI voice. Once you have completed all the settings, simply click the generate button and within a short time, your complete UGC ad video will be ready.
Stop scrolling! I just found the most gorgeous lip shade ever. Look at this packaging. It feels so incredibly premium in my hand. The black case is just stunning. But the real magic is the texture. It glides on like absolute butter. No dry patches, just pure, flawless hydration. The pigment is literally insane. One single swipe and you get this beautiful, rich pink glow. Trust me guys, this is definitely your new everyday essential. Do not miss out on this. Tap the link below and grab yours right now.
So as you can see, the ad video has done incredibly well. One of the best things about this tool is that you can create multiple ads for the same product in different styles. So now let's create another version of the same product, but this time in an unboxing style. All you need to do is change the font and click generate again. This clearly shows that you can use the same influencer and the same product to create different types of ad formats. Whether it's a review style video, an unboxing video, a promotional ad for lifestyle content. Each style produce a unique and engaging results.
You guys, look what just arrived. I've been waiting for this PR package forever. Unboxing this feels like pure luxury. The minimal packaging is just chef's kiss. And inside, oh wow. Look at this gorgeous black and red design. It is so sleek. This classic red shade, it's literally the perfect color for any occasion. Look at how premium it feels. Trust me, you need this in your makeup bag. Tap the link below to get yours now.
So that's how you can use this tool to create complete UGC ads without a camera, without actors, and without any complicated editing. Simply create your AI influencer, add your product, and use simple prompts to generate professional looking ad in just a few minutes. If you also add a few extra shots, B-roll, and background music to your video, the final result will look even more premium and engaging. If you'd like to try this tool yourself, I included the link in the description and the pinned comment. I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and press the bell icon because I regularly share effective tutorials on AI tools and faceless content creation. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.